what if I told you the way you consume ghee could either heal you or harm you? One mistake could slow your metabolism, cause weight gain, or disrupt digestion. But the right way makes ghee a superfood, boosting your energy, detoxifying and preventing diseases. So the question is, should you take ghee in the morning, at night, with food, with milk? Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra, and in this video, we will uncover the secrets of ghee that nobody talks about, so you can use it the right way for maximum health benefits. Watch till the end because the answer might surprise you. When we talk about how to take ghee, there are important factors that should be considered, like ideal dose of ghee. When to take ghee? Should it be the first thing in the morning, after meal, with meal, or in between meal? So we will understand all these factors in this video. Number one is ideal doses of ghee. Most health guidelines suggest adults need about 2000 calories daily for women and 2500 for men, but this varies based upon your age, activity, the Agni, Ama, and your body type. To break it down, fat gives 9 calories per gram, while protein and carbs provide you 4 calories per gram. So to find your energy needs, you can use the Harris-Benedict equation, which shows that you can aim almost 30% of your daily calories through the fat. So it comes around 600 calories and about 66 grams. So you can enjoy 30 to 60 grams of ghee daily based upon these guidelines. So first, for general health, you can take 15 to 30 grams per day is often enough to provide the benefits of ghee while maintaining the balanced lifestyle. But for specific health goal, if you're looking to nourish your colon, skin, reduce joint pains, degeneration, and boost energy, you might increase your intake 30 to 50 grams per day. However, it's important to remember that moderation is a key. But the beauty and the uniqueness of ghee is that if it's taken empty stomach in the morning, it has different results. If taken after meal, then different. If taken in between meals or in the night, then different. So let's know how different timings of the ghee intake matter and how does it impact your body. So the question is when to take ghee, and timings really matter. I will talk about now what happens if you take ghee before meals. So before meals, taking ghee before meal can significantly enhance digestion. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of Agni, the digestive fire, and ghee is known to stimulate the digestive fire. It prepares the body for digestion, helping to improve nutrients absorption, supports weight management if consumed before meal. Ghee helps the body efficiently process fats and even help in weight management by boosting metabolism. It improves bowel movement. It aids in lubricating the digestive tract, reducing constipation and bloating. So next is what happens if you consume ghee after meals. Absorbing fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. These vitamins require fat for proper absorption, and ghee is healthy fat that aid in the process. It also calms the body, especially after a heavy or spicy meal. Balances the dosha. For individuals with pitta imbalance, ghee provides a cooling effect post-meal, helping to avoid any digestive discomfort like acid reflux or heartburn. By the way, you can discover your unique Prakriti body constitutions and understand which dosha are dominant in your body, as well as you can assess the level of toxicity, the Ama in your body, as well as your Agni, just by clicking at the link in the description and answering a short questionnaire. You will receive a personalized Ayurvedic report to understand your body better. So coming back to ghee consumption, so what happens if you take ghee in between meals? Having a spoonful of a ghee between meals can serve as a powerful energy booster. This is particularly useful if you are feeling fatigued or need to maintain energy level throughout the day. Sustained energy. Unlike sugary snacks, ghee provides a steady supply of energy without causing spikes spikes or crashes in the blood sugar levels. It can also help curb hunger and reduce unnecessary snacking. It also helps to maintain metabolism by providing a source of slow-releasing energy. Ghee keeps the metabolism running smoothly. Next is what happens if you take ghee empty stomach in the morning. Ghee is considered extremely beneficial when taken on an empty stomach in the morning. First, it helps in detoxification. It helps detoxify the body by aiding the elimination of toxins, the ama, particularly in your liver and digestive system. It helps in weight loss. Empty stomach ghee intake helps to lose weight. It improves your digestion. Ghee kickstart the digestive system, preparing it for day's intake. Boost energy by offering a rich source of energy without overloading the digestive system. Ghee helps your body feel more awake and alert. Many people add warm ghee with a pinch of turmeric to enhance its anti-inflammatory effects. So another important time is night time. A small amount of a ghee before bed can have a soothing and relaxing effect on the body. You talk about stress, anxiety and sleeplessness. Ghee is particularly effective for calming Vata dosha, which governs the nervous system. For those suffering from stress or insomnia, it provides relief and ensures a good night's sleep. Restores the body. It nourishes the body tissues overnight, helping in rejuvenation and repair. Promotes relaxation. Ghee helps balance the body's energy, promoting a deeper, more restful sleep. Relieves constipation. It helps to reduce the dry properties of Vata dosha, hence relieves constipation. So if you're consuming it before meal, it stimulates your digestion, improve your nutrient absorption and boost metabolism. If you're taking after meal, it aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, cool your digestive system and provide post-meal nourishment. In between meals, keep you energized throughout the day without causing blood sugar spike and help curb cravings. But if you're taking morning empty stomach, it detoxifies the body, help in losing weight, boost your energy, improve digestion for the day ahead. But if you are taking in the night time, it calms your nervous system, balances Vata dosha and supports deep restorative sleep. So by incorporating ghee at these strategic time, you can maximize its health benefit and ensure its role in supporting your digestion, metabolism and overall well-being. So now you know the timing of ghee consumption matters more than you think. Before meals for digestion, after meals for nourishment, on empty stomach for detox, or at night for deep sleep. But remember, moderation and following Ayurvedic principle is a key. Overdoing it can have the opposite effect. For more insight on Ayurveda and holistic health, subscribe to eBlosis and hit the bell icon. Let's rediscover the ancient wisdom together. Lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Stay healthy, stay fit. Namaste.